and welcome everyone. This is IMTEX 2023. We are at Hall 4 at the stall of Proteck, and we are having with us Mr. Shriharsha, who handles the marketing of the machining. And I must say, their grinding machines are huge and their cost as well. But let's hear from him what he has to share with us. So what are the products you're demonstrating, and as you're telling about your machines and their innovations, just get us more information about
thank you. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Hi, I am Harsha. I am working in Proteck Machinery Private Limited. In this IMTEX, we are keeping very unique machines. We have kept one small model of high precision grinding machine also, which will be used mainly for automobile as well as bearing industries, which is very volumetric business. Then we have machines from Japan, like honing machines, and we also kept Tsugami. See, example, we represent machine from Switzerland. It is from Sarix. They are basically a high precision, high speed micro EDM drilling machines. Mainly it will be used in aerospace and micro components, and our people are already trained in service background, so that wherever we are supplying our machines, our major intention is to keep machine on 24/7. So which are all the machines we are selling in India, we are taking care of complete service as well as spares, so that customer should not have any problem when they are doing production. Then we have to support high productive machines. We have also kept supporting machines like tool setting machines and all. That is called a presetter. So that will be used mainly to set tool quickly, so that when the production is on, it can be kept in tool grip, and they can start the production whenever the tool gets wear. Like that, we have also kept gear grinding machine, very special machines, and also tube bending machine, which will be used in automobile as well as aerospace, and especially in electrical cars, where the high precision and high torque is required, and less friction, so that less power losing. That's what our aim.
And are there any new innovations that has happened and took place in the last 1 year?
This year we are trying to make a lot of imported, since there are a lot of imported machines which we are selling. We are trying to make in India few machines with the foreigner support, like Make in India project. But we are trying to add our value products in India, so that the machines can be built in India. That is what we are targeting this year, and slowly it is started. But let's hope next IMTEX we can also show those examples made in India.
That's amazing. So we really appreciate you supporting Make in India. That's really necessary, I must say. And then moving on, your participation at IMTEX show, and IMTEX being one of the biggest show for the machine tool industry. So how has been your response to your stall, and what has been your expectation throughout?
Yeah, this time IMTEX went very well. This is today's last day, 7th day. But a lot of customers with new ideas came in, and we never expected customers are giving us a challenging components and all. But whenever they came, we had a very good interaction, and the IMTEX this time giving every exhibitor to show their maximum capability of the interaction with the customer. So that is giving us more opportunity to show our capability.
That's amazing, sir. We congratulate you on the huge demonstration and successful demonstration at IMTEX, and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.